Hi everyone, my name is Sama. Let's get started with today lead code question 645. It is marked as easy. So let me share my screen first, guys. So, uh, yeah, our question is set mismatch. Okay. So basically, you have given uh, n number of elements. Okay. And in that n number of elements in an array, there is one element repetitive and one element is missing. So you have to print the repetitive and missing element. For example, there is n element. So n is 4. So originally, I have to like originally array should be like 1 2 3 4, like it should be 1 till n elements. Okay, but in the given question it is given that 1 2 2 4. So you have to identify the repetitive wala element and the missing element. Okay, so here repetitive element is 2 and missing element is 3, so you have to return it. Okay, so similarly here there are two elements. So originally it should be like 1 comma 2, two elements, but here one is missing, two is missing and one is repetitive. So our answer is 1 comma 2. So here, like you can see that it is based on some frequency wala. So frequency terms. So you are getting some frequencies. So whenever you have an idea about the frequency, then there is a one data structure which we use. It's called unordered map. Okay. So here what I will do is from 1 till n element I will create an unordered map and store the frequency as 1. Okay. For example, I'm traversing from 1, 2, 3 up to n elements. For example, here, 1's frequency is 1, 2's frequency is 2, 3's frequency is 2's frequency is 1, 3's frequency is 1, and 4's frequency is 1. Because there are 4 elements, so I've created the 4 element frequency. It will doesn't it is nothing to do with this nums. This unordered map has no relation with this nums. But now, in the second, this is the unordered map. Now, I'm traversing my for loop with this unordered map. Okay, and decrement each element. Okay, for example, here nums, I will see which those elements are matching in the given nums, and I will decrement their frequency. For example, here first element is 1. So I will decrement my frequency of 1 to my decrement by -1. So now it would be 0. Now I am at 2th element. So here I will decrement my frequency of 2 to 0. Similar, now I am also again at 2 element. So again I will decrement my frequency of 2 to 0, -1, -1. So 3 is there is no 3 in the given num, so I will not update their frequency. So it is 1. For 4, I will again decrement it by -1. So it would be 0. So here my updated map would be 1's frequency is 0, 2's frequency is -1, 3's frequency is 1, 4 frequency is 1. Okay. Now I will again do a for loop with this map and find and do the two conditions. First condition is, first I will store the duplicate value, second store the missing value. So in the duplicate value I will check key element whose frequency is -1 is my duplicate element. So I will put duplicate variable or duplicate as 2, and that element whose frequency is 1, here's force is my 0, sorry, whose frequency is 1 is my missing element. So I will update it as 3. At the end, I will be return d comma m. Okay. So this is the logic behind this question. And here I'm traversing each element one by one. So my times complexity is order of n. And I'm taking an ordered map of n space. So it would be order of n. Okay. So let's start with the coding part. Yep. And n is equal to num dot size. And, oh, equals to minus 1 first if p dot second equals to 1. Here, if b dot second equals to 0, then it means that it is already there in the nums and the frequency is 1. So I will need not to touch those elements. Okay. So here my missing element is p dot first. Here, first and second are the functions in the map. First is to get the first element, and the second is that frequency of that given element. Okay. And finally I will just do a return unordered for return. Let me submit this code. Yep. So our code got accepted. So yeah, that's it. That's it, guys. From this video, we'll see you in the upcoming video. Bye.